This lizard is most likely a leopard gecko. It is a small, ground-living lizard with spotted or banded skin. It is commonly found in Pakistan, including northern areas, especially in dry and rocky places. Its exact age cannot be known, but it usually lives around 6 to 10 years in the wild. It eats insects like crickets, beetles, and small bugs. Its habitat includes rocky land, dry grass areas, and cracks in soil or stones. Where it hides during the day, it is mostly active at night and prefers warm environments.